Today we're introducing a lakeside condo over 1,000 square feet. All rooms are very spacious. The whole unit is filled with sunlight and the balcony offers an amazing view. Located next to the Cherry Blossom High Park, surrounded by parks and lakes, we are now in the trendy community of Humber Bay. It's only a 10-minute drive from downtown Toronto. Attracted by its beauty, this area is very popular among young professionals. Today's new listing has 3 bedrooms and a solarium, but only asking for less than $650,000. Before viewing, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our exciting virtual tours and monthly real estate market watch report. See you soon! This is a corner unit, and its functional areas are very well defined. When we enter, you'll face the laundry. The laundry room is spacious, so the washer and dryer don't need to be stacked. There is some extra room for storage as well. On both sides of the laundry room, you'll also have closets for winter coats. Next, we move on to the living room. The living room is connected to the dining area. It is incredibly spacious, as you can see from its width. With the sofa on one side and the TV on the other, it creates a great viewing experience. The formal dining area is connected and it can easily accommodate a 6-person table, so a family can comfortably enjoy their meals here. Directly in front of the living room is our balcony. Let's take a look at the balcony. The balcony is also very spacious, with a width of over 2 meters. This allows for easy placement of garden chairs. The balcony offers a beautiful view with no obstructions in front. You can see lush greenery all around. To the right front of the living room is a solarium with great natural light, and it's also very sizable. It has an almost square-shaped layout. Right now, it's set up as a children's playroom, but it can also be used as an office space. The kitchen has a semi-divided structure from the living room. This way, when we are cooking, oil fumes are controlled. The kitchen has 2 sides. One side is the countertop and stove, while the other has a sink. With this setup, even for a family of 3 or 4, we have ample space to store ingredients and utensils. To the left side of the living room is our shared washroom. It's a standard-sized bathroom with a countertop, a toilet, and a bathtub with a shower. Next, let's check out the bedrooms. The bedrooms are connected by a corridor. 2 of the bedrooms face west, 1 faces north. Let's start with the master bedroom. The structure of the master bedroom is excellent. It's almost a perfect square shape. Next to the queen-size bed, there is still plenty of room for nightstands, and we also have lots of room to place a desk and bookshelf. This allows for both resting and working in this area. Plus, in the other side of the room, there is abundant storage space with a 3 sliding door wardrobe. The master bedroom also has its own ensuite powder room with a toilet and a sink, providing convenience for the occupants. The secondary bedroom is located next to the master bedroom on the same side. It offers a large area to fit a double bed and a nightstand. On the other side, there is plenty of room to place a 5-drawer chest or a TV, a desk, making it convenient for studying or working by the window. This is our 3rd bedroom. Even though it's the smallest one, it still offers a generous area. After placing a single bed, there is still ample space next to it for a chest. Between the window and the chest, there is enough room for a desk and chair. Good thing of older apartments is the efficient use of its space. Each room has a square layout and provides ample area for comfortable living.